This video is going to demonstrate printing a pallet label for a pallet in your SAP Business One system using Agility 360's print pallet label application on a handheld device. First, we're going to start by bringing up our Agility grid. With your Agility Explorer desktop license, you're able to view all of your inventory pallets and cartons from your inventory pallet view here. I'm going to start by scanning in the pallet we're going to print a label for. 9670. That's going to be our pallet item A00001. If I minimize that, we can jump over here to our Agility 360 emulator. This is going to show Agility 360 exactly how it would look on a mobile device in your warehouse. And we're just going to simply go to our print pallet label form, scan in our pallet. All of that information is going to populate. You can go ahead and check over it, make sure it's the right pallet. Since we just looked at the grid, we can see if that's the correct pallet here. We're going to go ahead and select print. Now you can print to any printer in your warehouse. You could also print a PDF. For this scenario here, we're just going to print a screen. And now we have our new label for pallet number 9670. Thank you for watching.